Are you ready to discover how to turn your everyday expenses into dream vacations? Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate guide to maximizing credit card rewards on Profitability Plus. Imagine you're allocating $2,000 each month towards essential life expenses such as groceries, travel, entertainment, or dining without leveraging credit card rewards or cashback. Without these benefits, that $2,000 essentially evaporates from your budget, never to be seen again. Now, let's optimize those expenses. Even if you're receiving just 1% cashback annually, that's an extra $240 in your pocket every year. However, aiming for just 1% is quite conservative. With savvy spending habits and optimizations, that $240 could easily double or even triple in value. Moreover, strategic redemption of these points could translate into a complimentary weekend getaway or perhaps even a full week of vacation. If you're intrigued by the concept of reward travel but unsure where to begin, this guide is tailored for you. It's understandable if this seems overwhelming. Feel free to drop any questions or uncertainties in the comments below, and I'll address them later. Now, let's delve deeper into the example of the $2,000 expenditure to illustrate how this can work for you. Suppose you allocate your expenses as follows: $500 on groceries, $300 on dining, $250 on transportation, $300 on travel, $250 on entertainment, $200 on personal care, and $200 on shopping. By applying various point systems, these expenses can yield significant rewards. For instance, $500 on groceries could earn you 2,500 points, while $300 on dining could translate to 900 points. Similarly, transportation, travel, entertainment, personal care, and shopping expenditures could each yield their respective points, multiplying the value of your spending. With this model, you could accumulate around 7,000 points monthly, totaling 84,000 points annually. This substantial point pool could be redeemed for $840 in cashback or strategically utilized for travel rewards, potentially resulting in a luxurious weekend getaway or a budget-friendly week-long vacation. Consider the long-term implications of this approach. As your income and expenses evolve over time, so does your points accumulation, leading to even more opportunities for free travel. Additionally, there's a practical tip. You can even pay your rent with a credit card. I've covered this in a previous video, which I'll link in the description box below. This example marks your official entry into the realm of optimizing credit card spending. I hope it convinces you to continue exploring this strategy, as it's not as daunting as it may seem. In fact, it's quite straightforward, and anyone can master it. Firstly, let's distinguish between points, miles, and cashback, terms you'll frequently encounter. Cashback straightforwardly refunds a portion of your spending, while miles and points function similarly, but are often associated with travel credit cards. The next crucial step is selecting the right credit card as tailored to your needs. There are various types, including everyday purchasing cards, travel credit cards, and store credit cards, each offering distinct reward structures. It's often beneficial to have multiple cards to maximize rewards across different categories. For newcomers to this journey, I recommend starting with 2 cards: an everyday purchasing card and a travel credit card. Providers like Chase, Citi, Amex, and Capital One offer diverse options, each with its unique perks. Don't be deterred by cards with annual fees. They often provide substantial benefits that outweigh the fee. Take, for example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, which offers a $50 travel credit, significantly reducing its $95 annual fee. Moreover, introductory offers can yield significant point bonuses, enhancing the value of the card. Once you've selected your cards, the next step is strategic spending. Understanding each card's reward structure enables you to optimize your points accumulation. Many cards offer bonus points for specific categories, such as groceries or travel. However, it's essential to spend responsibly. Don't overspend solely for points. Fiscal prudence should always come first. Now, let's tackle the crucial aspect of point redemption. While it may seem straightforward to redeem points through the issuer's online portal, this often undervalues your points. Transferring points to travel partners, such as airlines or hotels, can significantly increase their value. For instance, I recently utilized my points for business class flights and luxury hotel stays, leveraging the transfer options for maximum value. Pro tip: when it comes to managing your credit card usage, consider a strategic approach. Focus on using your card for big purchases rather than small, frequent expenses. Why? Because those seemingly insignificant $10 or $20 purchases can quickly accumulate, leading to unexpected credit card debt. To avoid falling into the trap of death by 1,000 cuts, reserve your credit card for significant expenses. One effective strategy is to save up cash for your intended purchase beforehand. Once you've accumulated the necessary funds, make the big purchase using your rewards credit card to maximize your rewards points. Then, promptly pay off the balance in full using the saved cash. Pro tip number 2. To make the most of loyalty programs, it's crucial to understand their nuances. Here are key questions to consider. For airline loyalty programs, what's the mileage cost for my desired flight? Does mileage cost vary by travel season? Which airlines are partners in this program? Are there opportunities to earn extra miles through spending or flights? For hotel loyalty programs, does the hotel chain have peak off-peak pricing? Can I use free night certificates, or are they subject to variable pricing? Does the program offer free nights based on booking duration? Are resort fees waived for award bookings? Can I use points and cash for bookings? Does my credit card provide program status, granting perks like breakfast or upgrades? For transferable points programs, what's the points value for flights? Which transfer partners can help reach my destination? Do bonus categories on my card enhance point accumulation? Pro tip number 3. Activate and maximize quarterly. Bonus categories like a pro. Did you know that certain credit cards, such as the Chase Freedom Flex (SSM), offer rotating bonus categories? Here's the catch: you need to activate these bonus categories every quarter to reap the rewards. But that's not all. Once activated, it's crucial to maximize your spending within these categories without exceeding any limits. For example, with the Freedom Flex, you can earn a whopping 5% cash back on up to $2,500 spent in the bonus category each quarter. That's some serious cashback potential waiting for you. Disclaimer: terms and conditions apply. Please refer to your credit card issuer for specific details. Thank you for tuning in to Profitability Plus. We're truly grateful for your time and attention as we explored the incredible opportunities presented by credit card rewards. Remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take towards optimizing your finances brings you closer to your goals. We hope you found today's episode enlightening and empowering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on mastering your finances and achieving true prosperity. Until next time, stay focused, stay inspired, and stay profitable. Thank you, and see you soon on Profitability Plus.